How to clean and unclog your Sovol SV08 Max auxiliary feeder. Is your Sovol SV08 Max's auxiliary extrusion feeder getting this error message during a print, grinding or not feeding filament? You're likely dealing with a clog or dirt. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to disassemble, thoroughly clean and reassemble the auxiliary feeder on your Sovol SV08 Max 3D printer. A clean extruder is crucial for preventing under-extrusion, weak prints, and this simple maintenance task can save you hours of frustration and get your massive SV08 Max printing perfectly again. Let's start by removing the filament. Click OK. Click the filament button, click Return Material, and wait for it to complete the task. Remove the filament by pushing the lever in and pulling out the filament. Using a 2.5mm hex key, remove the two bolts holding the auxiliary extrusion feeder to the frame. Pull the two halves apart. Disconnect the stepper motor cable. Remove PTFE tube. Using a pair of tweezers, clean the filament path. Remove the level and clean. Use a blower to clean the dust. Put the lever back and don't forget the two bearings and the spring. Check the PTFE tube for debris and insert it back. Put the two halves together and screw the auxiliary extrusion feed back to the frame. And don't forget to insert the stepper motor cable back. The auxiliary extrusion feeder cleaning is done. Just need to reload the filament to test the auxiliary extrusion feeder. And that's it. A full clean and service of your Sovol SV08 Max's auxiliary extrusion feeder. This is a maintenance task you should do every few months or when you get an error message from auxiliary extrusion feeder. If this video helped you out, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other questions about the SV08 Max, drop them in the comments below.